Are you looking for the best cup sealing machine? In this video, we will show top 3 cup sealing machine. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we've included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 3. WantJoin Cup Sealing Machine. Full automatic cup sealing machine, 89, 95, 95 mm, 3.50, 3.54, 3.74 inch. Electric white cup sealing machine, 500 to 600 cups per hour. Brand, WantJoin. Material, stainless steel. Color, white. Operation mode, automatic. Wattage, 420 watts. Full automatic. The cup sealing machine automatically feeds the cup, automatically rolls the film, automatically seals the cup, automatically ejects after placing the cup. The cup sealing machine also has an automatic count. 90 or 95 mm cups for lots of cup materials. High and short cups are available, can seal any height within 18 centimeters. The cup sealing machine is universal for paper and plastic and only needs to be equipped with special film for paper and plastic. Plastic cups can be sealed with a variety of materials. PE, PP, PC, and 90 to 95 calibers can be sealed. The cup sealing machine provides a 90 circle. If you need to seal 90 cups, you can put it in to seal. Special circumstances handling. The wet mouth can also be sealed, and the speed of sealing machine can be set manually. If the cup is not sealed at one time, it can be manually patched. Free hot drink slap needle. You can tap a small vent on the hot drink film. Number 2. WantJoin Cup Sealing Machine. Commercial Boba Sealer Machine 2S. Sealing auto film alignment, 90-95 mm LED panel temperature control. Electric semi-automatic cup sealer for bubble milk tea coffee. Brand, WantJoin. Material, stainless steel. Color, gray. Power source, corded electric. Auto film alignment system. This semi-automatic cup sealing machine uses smart calibration to automatically detect and align sealing film, ensuring every cup sealing process is precise and reliable. No manual adjustment is required, which reduces errors, prevents wasted film, and saves valuable time. This automatic cup sealer is ideal for busy shops that need fast, hands-free accuracy and professional results with every sealed drink. Number 1. Automatic Cup Sealing Machine, 90-95 mm, 500 to 700 cups per hour. Electric cup sealer with counting LCD panel for bubble tea, milk, juice, coffee, and boba shop, etc. Brand, Vitismax. Material, metal. Power source, corded electric. Fully automatic mode. The functions of the cup sealer include temperature adjustment, zeroing, and cup counting, etc. It can seal 500 to 700 cups per hour without interruption, saving you time and effort. In special cases, the mouth of the wet cup can also be sealed. The dual mode all-in-one machine function allows you to easily switch between manual and automatic modes with a speed that can be set manually to meet changing customer needs and passenger flows. Rest assured, Vitismax cup sealing machine can easily solve the problems of small manpower, order explosion, rejection, and loss of customers in bubble tea shops. Operational bottlenecks are minimized even during peak hours. The factory customizes high-quality materials, and one can be used for several years. With a built-in safety door, the machine will automatically stop if it comes into contact with a foreign object or accidentally touches it. It's all about giving you peace of mind when using it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.